Good afternoon, good morning, student of class 6. Today's date is 2/9/20. We are going to start, actually we have started the chapter, that is algebraic expression and linear equation. You know that we have solved up to exercise 9.4. We will start from exercise 9.5. What are the things included in the exercise 9.5? Here we are going to learn how to solve the equation. We have learned various things about equation, like how to make a equation, what are polynomial, what are monomial, etc. That means you have learned about linear equation. Now you are going to learn how to solve it. Linear equation is like that, like x minus 3 equal to 9. That is a linear equation. That means there is two sides. One is in the left, one is in the right, and middle there is a equal sign. That means LHS, and that is known as RHS. And in linear equation, if you want to solve, that means you have to find the unknown quantity. But that means you have to find the value of variable. That is also known as variable. You know that what is variable, what is constant. So you have to find the value of variable in the equation. That is the process of solve. And here is some rules. If you change the position, like this is LHS, there is a sign plus. If you change it, or if you shift that number into right side, that will become minus. If there is a multiplication, that will become division. If there is a number like fraction 4 by 5, if you change that on right side, that becomes 5 by 4. If there is a minus, that will become plus. In that way, if there is a division, that will become multiplication. If you change the position in that way, the sign will be changed. That you have to remember. After solving some maths, you can understand. Like I am solving x minus 3 equal to 9 is given. Now I have to find the value of x. Every time you have to write or. You can't write equal in the beginning of the equation. You have to write or. So I have to find the value of x. So I will keep it in the left side. I will shift the number in the right side. There is a minus 3. If I shift that number in the right side, that become plus 3. That means 9 plus 3. Or what is the value of 9 plus 3? 12. So I got x equal to 12. That is the answer. That is very easy, but there will be some difficult math also. Like there may be a math like x by 9 equal to 8. You can understand the number is in the denominator. That means that is in the division form. If you change it in the right side, if you shift that number in the right side, that you have to multiply that number. That means x equal to 8 into 9. So you got x equal to 72. Easy to understand. Next, if there is a math 4x equal to 32, you can 4x means 4 into x. You know that 4x means 4 into x. That means 4 is in the multiplied form with x. That is 4 into x. That means if you shift that number into right side, that become division. That is 32 by 4. Or you will get x equal to 4 8 is 32. Now if there is a combination of multiplication and subtraction, or like 2x plus 8 equal to 14, that type of equation is given. First I will shift that number which is alone. That means 8 is a single number. I will shift that on right side. If there is a plus, that will become minus. So I get 14 minus 8 equal to 6. Now 2 is in multiplied with x, so that will be divided on the right side. Sorry, 2. So answer we got x equal to 6 by 2, 3. I think you understand all the process. There is a 4 types of math. All example I have shown here. You can check out the math from the book. I am showing you the book. What you have to do. In math number 1, you can check it out. The first process I have shown. You have to shift the number on the right side, like x plus 3 equal to 2. So x equal to 2 minus 3. That means x equal to minus 1 will be the answer. In the second math, y by 2, that means 2 is in the division of y divided by 2 actually, that is equal to minus 3. So if you change that in right side, if you shift that in right side, that will become multiplication. So the y equal to minus 3 into 2, that means y equal to minus 6 will be the answer. Here 2x equal to 8, that means 2 multiply by x equal to 8, that means x equal to, as this is multiplied here, that will be divided here. So x equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4. So answer is x equal to 4. And this type of formation I also shown you. First 5 will be shifted, that will be plus because that is minus here. So 4 plus 5, 3x equal to 4 plus 5 equal to 9, that means 3x equal to 9. So x equal to 9 by 3 equal to 3. In this way you have to solve all these maths. I think you can still, if you have doubt, you can ask me the question. Okay, thank you. Enough for today.